What's the meaning of commensurately? Commensurately. Commensurately.
Commensurately. Commensurately. Commensurately means in a way that is proportionate or corresponding to something else, often in terms of size or quantity. For example, if a salary is increased commensurately with an employee's performance, it means that the raise is in line with the level of work that was done. Similarly, if a price is decreased commensurately with a decrease in demand, it means that the reduction in price matches the decrease in demand. In general, commensurately refers to one thing changing in proportion to another thing in a reasonable and sensible way.